Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a classic breakfast recipe that can be made very quickly and easily. Today we are going to make this delicious instant Rava Idli from scratch. So let's get started and check it out. For the Rava Idli, first I'm going to temper a few ingredients. Add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, just lightly roast it. Next add 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Next add a piece of finely chopped ginger. Next add 2 green chillies finely chopped. Add a few curry leaves and give it a quick mix. Now add about 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, that is hing, and mix it all in. I'm adding this nice fine siroti rava, that is the Sooji. This is very fine. So using this will make your idlis very soft and very nice. So if this is available for you, try getting this for this particular Rava Idli. Roast the Sooji for about a minute. So I'm just adding a few bits of cashew nuts to give you a nice crunch. Just mix that in. Once the Sooji is roasted along with the other ingredients, remove from the pan and transfer it to a bowl. Add 2 cups of curd. Make sure to whisk the curd nicely before you add it. Just mix it all in. Just add a little water and mix it in till you get a nice batter. Just make sure it's all well combined. So just gradually pour water to get the right consistency for the Rava Idli batter. So you can see I've mixed everything. Finally I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ENO, that is fruit salt. So if this is not available for you, you can just use regular cooking soda. Just pour a little water. So you can see how the Sooji has absorbed all the moisture. It's become thick. So once you add the fruit salt, add a little water and mix everything together. So the batter is ready. This is a good consistency for the idli batter. You don't want it too runny because you won't get those idlis. It will be too soggy. So this is a good dropping consistency. This is how you want your batter to be. So you need to add the fruit salt just before you steam the idlis. Don't mix it ahead of time and keep it. Just grease the idli molds with a little oil. So I'm just placing some roasted cashew, just half of it, on the bottom of this mold. So this is actually optional. Now take a ladle of the idli batter and start filling up the idli molds. Once the steamer is ready, place the idli mold tray into the steamer and steam cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes you can see the idlis are cooked beautifully. Immediately remove them from the idli mold and serve it nice and hot. Now I am serving it with 3 different types of chutneys and a little sambar. This is a very easy and instant breakfast that you can make anytime. You can even make this for an evening light tiffin or dinner. So do try the recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So there you go, you can enjoy these delicious and soft idlis with any type of chutney of your choice. Now I've served it with 3 different types of chutneys. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description, you can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.